little more of a chaotic video because this is Highway 10, not 202. This is in the same location I've been my first video. But this is the whole reason why I'm here, is because I'm trying to get my trucks back so that I would actually have a reason to continue with my truck spotting series. So today, guys, I'm out here on the I-10 to spot some trucks. Whatever truck, I don't know. I'm gonna get people to honk. So before this before that happened, I got a lot of people to honk on me, so nice ass Peterbilt right there. This ain't the best location, but this is the best location for action, not to be standing by. But anyway, here comes that's a Kenworth right there. Alright. Gonna get this guy. Another Kenworth. Oh no, that's not a Kenworth, that's an International. Those are all the trucks I honked. Anyway, I'm gonna shut the fuck up now and get some action on these fuckers. Correct me if I'm wrong. CFX. Sponsored by CFX. Damn, bro. Oh no! Swift! Swift has joined the chat. Here comes the International. Oh shit, here comes the highway patrol. Oh shit. I'm probably screwed. There's a highway patrol, there's a cop, I know there's a cop because it's antennas and the wheels. As I watch the cops pass by the wheels. Holy shit. Yeah. This ain't a good location to stand at, but regardless, and nevertheless, I'm gonna get trucks to honk. That's what we do. Oh no, he didn't honk his whole. A Volvo truck. Here's like a dust truck. Actually, it's huge. As you can see, it's a nice Kenworth. Oh, finally, we got a Mac. We got an International and a Mac. Here comes another, no, here's a Western Star. And a nice ass. We got Western Star. That's some nice cones right there. Diesel. Hey, finally, we got a Peter. He actually honked the horn. Here's an international. He didn't honk a computer bill. Oh, that's a Mac.